the INDIA bloc has hit back at the Prime Minister. Now, they are claiming that Modi government has worked only to make its wealthy friends, quote-unquote wealthy friends, even more wealthier. And while the people who are working, the working class, is bearing the brunt.
The paranoia that comes whenever opposition speaks about equality clearly proves that both BJP and the Prime Minister do not like equality, because any measure towards being and bringing about an equal society is against their corporate friends. Which is why whenever we want to bring equality, they have been trying to distort facts and figures. Let me put it very clear. According to the World Inequality Lab, run by Thomas Piketty, a well-renowned economist, inequality in India is at unprecedented level, more than that during the British era. 1% of the top 1% of the Indians hold as much wealth as a 40%. And only 21 super rich Indians, friends of Prime Minister Modi, hold as much wealth as the bottom 80 crore people. And through taxation, we want to change it.
He is lying, his unbecoming conduct of Prime Minister. Congress party ruled more than 50 years. And had it been so, then control of main position in any field would have not been in the hands of Hindus. All chief ministers are Hindus in the country. Congress party did for everybody, equally for Muslim, for Dalit, for OBC, and for general categories also.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी अपना रिकॉर्ड देखें कि उन्होंने 10 वर्षों में सिर्फ अडानी और अंबानी को ऊंचा उठाने के लिए किया और एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ कॉमन पीपल किया, महंगाई को रोक नहीं पाए। और आज वो कटाश कर रहे हैं कि राजीव गांधी जो है वो राहुल गांधी जो है वो क्या नाम है माओवादी सोच रखता है। कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है। राहुल गांधी ने जो बयान दिया है इसी चीज़ को मद्देनज़र रख के कि बीजेपी ने जो कुछ किया है वो कांग्रेस नहीं करेगी, और जो वेल्थ है उस पर हर एक का हक है, जो किसान है, मजदूर है, बिजनेसमैन है, सिर्फ अडानी और अंबानी का नहीं है।
10 साल हुकूमत में रहने के बाद भी प्रधानमंत्री जी को कांग्रेस का इतना भय क्यों? ये सबसे पहली बात है। अगर 10 साल में आपकी सरकार एक सफल सरकार होती, रोजगार के प्रति सफल होती, किसानों के प्रति सफल होती, देश के युवाओं के प्रति सफल होती, महंगाई को रोकने में सफल होती, तो प्रधानमंत्री महोदय को कांग्रेस की बात करने की जरूरत नहीं थी। क्योंकि ये असफल सरकार का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए इनको बार बार कांग्रेस पार्टी दिखती है।
All right, Mohit Bhatt is joining us on the broadcast. Mohit, we heard the reactions of the INDIA leader. This exclusive interview to the Times Network, to Times of India, has expectedly created ripples. The Prime Minister, of course, has hit out at the Congress and the wealth redistribution, wealth redistribution controversy, saying that the Constitution protects the rights and the properties of minority. Thereby, Congress cannot redistribute the Waqf properties. Has the Congress reacted to this pointed attack coming in from the side of the Prime Minister?
Since this wealth redistribution attack has come in from the BJP, since day one, Congress has been saying that their manifesto only talks about the census. It talks about the getting into the problem, but it doesn't talk about the wealth distribution. But with the statement coming in from Sam Pitroda, BJP has become very aggressive. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while speaking to Times of India, has categorically stated that the Congress party aims to redistribute the wealth of the people of the country among others. And he also goes on to say that Constitution has given powers to the minority boards, minority organization, and to the minorities as well, that their rights, their properties will be protected. So Prime Minister says now Waqf property will be protected. That is there in the Constitution. Now when the Congress party talks about wealth distribution, they cannot distribute the properties of minorities, and hence they will distribute the properties of the other communities. And the Congress party will raid the fields of the farmers. Congress party will also take away the ornaments of ladies. So clearly PM says that other communities will be attacked other than the minority communities by this wealth distribution row, and it will create a communal discomfort in the country, which will be irreversible. So clearly, Prime Minister hitting out at the Congress Party. But you see what the Congress Party has been saying, this, that their manifesto does not talk about wealth distribution, and clearly the Congress says PM is trying to divert from the issue. But given the fact that a statement has come in from Rahul Gandhi, from the likes of Sam Pitroda, BJP is getting very aggressive, and in the end BJP says that the Congress Party wants to distribute your hard-earned money, your hard-earned wealth, your property to people from the community they think that they will get votes from, and just for the sake of appeasement politics, it's being done. So again, with the interview coming in on Times of India by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a huge political controversy has started. So we have to wait and watch what exactly would be the next step that the Congress would be taking.
Okay.
Because sometime from now...
Right, Mohit, apologies, I have to interrupt.